Good morning, guys. This is Robert from Trade the Moment. It is Tuesday, February 16th. It's the first day back from holiday weekend. Looking at the Qs right here, just to give you a quick look at the Qs on the 15-minute chart here. Gapped up in the morning right here. Took a little resistance, then made a higher high, but barely, and then sold off. If you look at it on the 15, then you go to a 5. You see it's below VWAP. So it kind of hammered here on the 5 and it's trying right now. And if you go to a 2, which is to the left, you're going to see a tight base here. So I'm looking for a play here long above this pivot, or short, which is really the direction I would like to go with this trade, because it's below VWAP. That's the only reason I like to take this. I know it's been extremely strong, but this is a scalp. It has nothing to do with the fundamentals of the index. The QQQs is extremely strong, but I'm going to use it as a short if I could. Below 136.23. It's not far away. That would be the low of this pivot. 136.23 is the trade I prefer. I'm sorry, 326.23. 326.23 as your short. That's this pivot right here. It could go back up because it was stronger earlier, and it could break above 336.48. But I'm going to look for a short trade rather than a long one. If it breaks this channel, traditionally I would go long with it, but I don't like it today because of the way it sold off. It just, it's kind of gotten extended this morning and sold off. This was a nice recovery. But I don't want to take it long. I want to take this one short at 336.23, guys. That's the trigger. And the stop would be 336. I'd go a little higher, maybe 60 or 70. We'll say 60 will be a stop. So this has a 37-cent risk. In at 336.23 and out at 336.60 as a stop. If it don't work, that's 27 cents in risk. So let's watch this, see how it plays out. It's basing on a 1. On the 2 is what we're going to go to. We'll use that as a top, and we'll use this 336.23. I'm sorry, 336.23 as an entry short. So I'm going to post this in the room now on Discord. You can find that at Trade the Moment. You can go to the website www.tradethemoment and launch it there, or go to Discord and look for Trade the Moment. I'm going to post this in the room on the trading room. QQQ short 336.23. Let's watch this play out and see how it works out for us. If it doesn't go and breaks the top of this bar here, this trade will be voided. Traditionally, we go long. It's a channel trade, but we're not looking to go long today. I am a little biased to the short side because of the sell-off to the, if you look to the right on the bottom, because of these bars. They were pretty big size bars. It was pretty decent volume. So I'm leaning on the short side of this trade. It's 336.23. It's about to trigger right now. Getting real close. I'll move it here right now for you to see it. There it goes. It's now triggering at 336.23. It's now a live trade. Let's get involved with this, guys. Let's make some money. Let's make it quick. Let's make it fast. Let's get in, let's get out, and let's keep very little risk. Right now the trade is live and the stop is 326.60. It's officially in play. I'm posting it in the Discord room to use. Stop 336.60. There's your stop, guys. There it goes. Working nicely right now. Let's just see if we can get another bar down and break under 336. Here she comes. Here she comes. Would like to get 40-50 cents out of this. This could be a nice sell-off. Here it comes. Come on. Need to flush out one shot here. Come on, guys. Flush out right here. There we go. Below 336. There we go. There's a break of 336. Very, very nice. At 335.80, we can close this position. 335.80, we would like to close it. It's trying to pivot back up. We need it to be rejected right here. If you look at it here on a 2, we need a rejection and we need to come down here. 335.80 is what we're looking for. We will defend this trade. We will not turn this into a big loser. This was a quick scalp. It's all it is. You're not to be biased. You're not to like it because the market's strong. You're looking at nothing more than the technicals on the day. It made a high on the open. Was rejected. Took some selling pressure. Made a higher half hour later on, only to have a quick sell-off. This is the only reason we're short. We need another 12 cents, 10 cents, 9 cents, 8 cents. Go on, 6 cents, 5.80. Stop out. Beautiful. Trade's gone at 335.80. 335.80. This, if you still got it, it's understandable. Take at least 2/3. We took the whole position here. It was quick. It was easy. We got involved right here as you're short. We'll go back to the one and show you. We got involved right here on the short at 336.23, and we took it down to 335.80. This was 43 cents. It was a quick scalp. It worked. The Qs are strong. If it's any other type of instance, we would let this go a little bit. But being it's so strong, we decided to make it a quick trade. I think it's the 5th winning trade in the room this morning. I think we're 5 for 5. You can visit the room at www.tradethemoment.com. You could launch the Discord app on my website. You'll see a whole bunch of educational stuff. You can get the Discord. There's a whole bunch of free channels for everybody to use and enjoy. If you like this video, hit the like button, smash the subscribe button, and we'll bring you many more of these. Thank you, guys.